Development teams and consultancies commonly have a set of basic tests and test configurations that they need to reproduce for every new project or client engagement. To save time reproducing these test assets, we now have project cloning. The company owner can now easily clone a project. This clones all the test cases, the test library folders and structure, the labels on those tests, shared steps, branches, Salesforce environment names, and personas. The cloning process does not clone sensitive Salesforce OAuth connections, so these can be simply reconnected for the new project's environments and personas. In addition to being able to reuse tests across test personas and Salesforce environments, now with project cloning, tests can be reused across projects, teams, or client engagements.